hit the jackpot, guys.
Hey, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, pirates. Very exciting. We just left the card unit and we have to come look in this one. So we're gonna make another video right off the first unit, first look inside of this. 450, how did I say 2,300? I only paid $450. I got lucky because no one knew what they was looking at and I did. And you're about to see why. The mic's right there. Wait a minute, 412. What key is on this one? This one. That's so nice for $450. Doesn't it look nice to you?
Mm-hmm.
You see this? First off, all the boxes are sealed. You see, it looks like quality camping stuff. The mattress doesn't really look too dirty. I opened that box up a second ago. The table looks clean. The boxes look sealed. This exercise thing looks nice. Computer looks like a good one. They were going to cooking school. I mean, it doesn't scream $100,000, but it looks like all clean stuff.
Yeah, I'm excited about this workout machine.
You are? I think, which one? This one?
Yeah.
I think we should keep this.
I think we should too.
I've been looking for them there. You know how cheap I am. So I didn't want to buy them. I knew I was going to find them.
Let's root. Like I see this bed looks like a twin
Oh,
bed, like
yeah.
a little girl bed, and then I see that it's like Tinkerbell, so that's exciting.
See, that looked, in the
I
videos,
see
that looked bad.
this.
This looked like it was scratched up and stuff.
It's still cute. It looks like a
it's
twin
nice.
size. I would almost want
Wall
one of
art.
that. Cute
It's
wall
gonna be.
art.
It's gonna be. There's gonna be something good in it.
I'm
It's gonna be like.
excited.
It's gonna be video games.
Should have brought a knife.
Should have brought a knife.
Having the hardest time. Ugh, this one.
Very unprepared we are.
We are.
Ooh.
Yes.
First
This
thing.
is- That's cute.
Michael's Kors.
And then this is a Gap kids jacket. It has a kid's name in it. I want that. Oh, cool. A's hat.
Like we don't have enough age stuff.
We don't. I couldn't find anything for A's lot today. See, I knew she had kids. It's like the Paw Patrol.
I like this already. Look at the name.
I know, I like
Ooh,
this too.
We needed this.
I like this. Tommy over here. Look at Tommy.
Is this Halloween? Yes. It's not in there though, is it? Oh no.
No, it's something. Oh no, there's a phone in here.
'Cause I'm
Maybe
not-
we'll find it in the. This is cute. All right.
So far, everything looks good.
I know, right? Everything looks decent. What's this? Oh, crayons. Damn it. I can't stand seeing these in my own house. There's a book.
Little thrown in there.
101 Ho-Ho Holiday Jokes. That we can take. So save the book for her earlier. The kids. Uh-oh.
Yeah. So we got to return some of that
Oh,
stuff.
this has got names on it, though. Faces on it. Hold on, there's a...
That'd be cute.
Oh, it's broke. It goes in here.
There's some slime.
Nope. We got 3 pounds of slime in our kid's bedroom the other day. We're done with slime. It's a book, though.
This looks like just.
Yeah, it's just personal paperwork. There is some birthday supplies, Minnie and Mickey.
Anybody's birthday coming up? It's a kid's box again, it looks like.
Yeah.
Baby wipes. Oh, my least favorite thing.
It's definitely like a kid's
Yeah.
box.
Last minute. Alright.
Ooh.
Target.
What
Paper
we got
bags.
here? Crafts? Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Alright. Some
You like crafts?
Gap fit jacket.
Coach.
Coach.
In good
Throw
shape.
that over here if you want.
Okay. More children's stuff. How many kids do they have?
Same thing.
We need books, right?
Yeah.
Oh, Mona.
You guys are doing homeschooling. You know, 20 minutes of reading, right?
20 minutes of reading. What about this one? Ramona the Pest.
Yeah, Ramona the Pest. Ghost the Cat, Other Spooky Tales.
Ooh, look at that.
There you go.
I like
All
myself.
these will work.
Yeah.
All stuff that they actually read. Ramona, Beezus, and see?
Beezus and Ramona.
Mm-hmm.
I think I used to read that when I was a kid.
Fancy Nancy.
Oh yeah.
Mermaid Tales, yeah.
What we need now is a unicorn book. That would be, that'll top everything. Lots of them. The Mummy is missing. Yeah, the skull. I remember these are all the kinds you get on the little book fairs.
Yeah, these are all the ones that they need.
Whew.
This is from
Bags.
their Moana bags. Yep.
Party bags for a birthday. Mona.
More birthday stuff. We found a lot of birthday stuff. Maybe they did like birthday plannings. We found like those
Maybe.
cups
Oh, they just have lots of
and-
parties. There's a pinata.
There's a pinata. But there's just a lot of stuff. Yeah, it's like a lot of junk. Happy Meal toy. More books.
Santa. Oh. It's a rat man.
More kids stuff. What's in here? When do you think this lady did like some kind of party planning
That's
events?
fine. It's a
Thank
great
you.
flea market.
I know. Yeah, it is.
They're gonna have good stuff somewhere.
Somewhere.
There will be gold in this one. Now we're just
I
finding.
think there will be too. You'll probably find a jewelry box somewhere. Another kid's box.
It's alright, this will all sell.
Yeah.
It's all great.
Some more plastic totes for SP.
I don't know how many of those we need. This is all their like new products. The problem is you don't know if there's a gold chain in there or something.
I know, that is the problem. More arts and crafts stuff. This new stuff?
Looks like it. Wanna.
That's cool. The slot machine's kind of cool. It's got money in it. We get the jackpot, guys.
That's kind of fun.
Life. Oh no, these have been played. These are games.
They sure look good though.
Yeah. Okay. What's this?
Here we got super slime.
Flash pad.
This will be fun at the house.
No. I don't know if flash pad is.
That looks something electronics.
Yeah. Maybe kid electronics.
Seems neat. Brand new. Flash pad. It's like, what is it all?
Oh, look here, McKayla.
Crafting. Pencils, paper. It's a lot of crafting. Oh yeah.
The hamper.
Literally all it is. There's something on the bottom.
Some clothes.
That looks like a
Shoebox, maybe?
that looks like a potential of a good shoebox. It has that UGG look to it. Just like that.
Oh, there's some Adidas.
Oh
kids'
yeah.
shoes.
Those are Yeezys, aren't they?
I don't know if they're... No, I think they're just...
Isn't that who makes them or no?
Adidas makes Yeezys, but they also make their own variation of like...
Are you sure? Because that would be very nice. If all sorts of good clothes. I knew it was an UGG box.
Is it? Oh, those are cute boots though.
Oh, those are
Oh,
UGG
there's a
rainbow.
lot of
Oh
look.
my, yes, look. What is that? It's not UGG.
No, but that's an UGG box. These are brand new. Kids' shoes. Still in the box.
Nice. These are UGG rain boots right here,
Those
brand
are
new.
adorable.
Those are really nice.
And Gap is not cheap. Oh, these are adorable. These are brand new kids' Uggs too.
Those are like 100, 150 bucks right there.
Depends, yeah. That's cute.
Now I'm excited.
Okay, we'll take these.
Taking that home. And these two.
Just a plate.
It's just a nice bowl.
Z Gallery is really pretty.
Oh yeah, Z Gallery. That's actually
$40 bowl.
Cool.
It's really pretty.
put like on the white cabinet or something.
Mm-hmm.
What else we got here?
See what we got in here. Wow. Not what I was expecting. We've got some tools.
I was expecting a little cleaner. It's not bad. It's just I can't,
Expecting kids stuff.
I can't do the messiness of it right now.
Paperwork.
It's kind of a cool power inverter. That's what's in there. Oh yeah. Holy smokes.
Yeah.
This is like a power inverter, so like you hook it up to your battery or something like that, and it takes your car battery to lots of battery. Plug things in like you're camping.
A bunch of clothes, like an OtterBox, some cleaning wipes for your car, lots of clothes. Looks like men's clothes.
That's good.
This is
Look at that.
It's a good jacket.
Harley.
That's a good resale item. Yeah, I'm just trying to see what else is back in here though. You never know, you know? This old jacket. It's really heavy. No, nothing else?
This looks like fun.
Okay. Well, this person who packed didn't pack very well, so I just
Oh
wanted
yeah.
to check.
You know me, I always go through stuff 9 times over.
I know. Okay. Clothes.
More.
More clothes. Safe to say. A lot of men's clothes.
Oh yeah, the gallery. Greeting card.
This is supposed to go with it, but it's messed up.
DJ stuff.
Kaiser. They work for Kaiser.
That's gold.
Is it?
Yeah, it's like a little 10-carat pin for working for Kaiser.
Trailer hitch.
Yeah.
And the horse. And a piggy bank. Nordstrom bag. Paper.
Those school books, that'll be good for eBay at some point.
Build-A-Bear shoe. Just paperwork. It looks like, I don't know, there's a bunch of bags down there.
Yeah. Alright, let's see what kind of name brands they bought. One wardrobe. We got a series of wardrobes. Maybe one will be full of Louis. That'd be ideal. I love finding some good real Louis. First off, you always want to check the bottom. I don't know. There's something down there. We got clothes. Lots of clothes. Clothes. I don't see anything of significant value right off the bat without digging deep into the brands. What do we got here? Okay, cute little tops. Escape by Joan Shaw. Alright, is there anything down here? They're kind of cute. What do we have here? Size 9.5 USA. There's another one. We got some sandals. We got this stuff. Galaxy Edge phone. We got high rise. We got Kendall. Jessica Simpson. Garmin. This stuff. Let's see, what is this? Madden girl. Okay. Whatever those are, $79 price tag. These aren't as in good condition, but they're still very sellable. They can actually be cleaned up a little bit, but Uggs are very popular.
Crafts. Disney ears. These are worth money. They sell. More toys.
This unit is a hard one to go through. They kind of just threw lots of stuff in boxes. You could tell they weren't exactly about organization. Everything looks in great shape. She said that there was a tag on the couch. There's lots of sellable stuff in here. I can already see a couple hundred back just in a few Uggs and things like that we kind of set aside. We paid $450 for this unit. It's pretty full. See, there's a wall there. It's a 10 feet deep, but it's 20 feet wide. I see nothing but sellable and maybe a $75 dump run. We'll liquidate everything else. I think we're going to do good in this. There'll be a lot more videos to come. So don't forget the like button, the share button, subscribe if you're not already and have all notifications at all, and say something pretty like, I love storages.